the real life situation. So that's why they not only learn the theory of procedure text, but they have to practice it as well.
It makes of Oreo crumble. I'm setting this rice to make onigiri.
We make it a dessert island because it looks like sand. There is banana, strawberry, oregano, and then pudding.
It's just setting the occasion. If you eat this before the big meal, so it will be an appetizer.
So 3 eggs and salt.
And my team name is Pussy Cream.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Today Miss Gonia will invite you to show how to make something. We have materials, procedure text, and we practice how to make. There are so many food and beverage. For example, like how to make sandwich, something like that. Okay, let's check it out. Hello guys. So can you tell us the ingredients? What is that? What do you make? What do you make? We have sandwich. Sandwich. So what's the name of this? Vegetable salad.
Vegetable salad.
We can enjoy the sausage by
What are you making?
Seblak.
Okay, what is a blab?
Seblak is a food from Bandung.
Today we are making a high quality bread with meat and vegetables, and it's called a sandwich.
We are going to make a martabak telur. The ingredients is noodles and then egg and then I put sauce here and then it's a mix with cheese.
We're from group 5 and now we make meat tek noodle.
Can you tell the ingredients first? What is the ingredients? Macaroni and then okay, butter, cheese, milk, sausage, salt, okay, pepper.
So the first step, clean the strawberries, take out the hard stem and clean them thoroughly, and then we prepare the whipped cream.
Okay, so what you are going to make? Tell us.
Making fried tofu and Vietnam spring roll.
Okay, so what are you going to make?
So today we will make a milkshake.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So first of all, we want to make a aroma cheese. We want to make onion ring.
Onion ring, yes.
For today's practical elimination of text procedure, we're going to make a simple yet delicious dessert.
That's our first try.
Oh, that was the first time. Okay, good luck. Yes, continue. Thank you.
We are from the third group. We want to make the sweet sandwich.
This french fries and this breaded chicken, and then after it's done, you make the sauce. Yeah.
And the material we are glue is knife, bowl, dessert box, cheese grater.
Cut the bread into a slice. We're gonna use this cup for